Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn the new lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 5th, lesson number 3, Windows. Dear students, the main functions of a computer are input, processing and output. A computer performs these functions with the help of hardware and software. Hardware. Dear students, all the parts of a computer that you can see and touch is called hardware. The keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer and the CPU box all are hardware. Software. The instructions needed by a computer to do all the work is called software. You cannot see or touch software. Operating system. The software that helps the computer to run is called an operating system. Some instructions are built into the computer when it is made and it is permanently stored in it. When you switch on the computer, this software allows the computer to do all the work that you want it to. Thus, it helps the computer to run, so it is called operating system. Windows. Dear students, most computers use a very popular operating system called Microsoft Windows, popularly known as just Windows. Windows operating system. Dear students, most computers run an operating system called Microsoft Windows, popularly known as Windows. Windows is a user-friendly operating system. You do not have to remember the commands to use the computer. You use the mouse to just click on tools or commands or its pictures on the screen. What makes the Windows operating system so popular? Let's see some of its striking features. In Windows, each program opens in a separate window on the screen. Hence, the name Windows. You can work in many programs at the same time. Second feature is you need not remember different commands to work in Windows. You can just click on a tool or command or its picture on the windows. The third feature is frequently used tools or commands appears as icon button on the windows. The fourth feature is there is no danger of losing any unsaved data. If you shut down Windows before saving a document, the computer will ask you whether you want to save the document or changes made in it. If you click on the Yes button, the computer will save the document and then shut down Windows. If you click on No button, the document will not be saved. So my dear students, in this video, we have learned about some striking features of Windows operating system. So watch the video carefully.